O, diba? So, nandito tayo sa storage. Gumagawa tayo ng parang bagyo signal na birthday na dito. Na tayo ng pa-premyo. Pa-premyo natin sa Christmas. Ito, nireuse ko lang. Baka may paggamitan ako. Para na siyang binagyo number 10 nga, oh. Nagbabalot. So, bababa yung asawa ko. Ang swerte ng asawa, bababa na lang maghakot. Tapos dito yung station kong Makala. To, tingnan nyo. Tawagin na natin si Habi para matapos na to. Oh, mayroon pa ng maliit. Nandito. Kaya mag-bit-bit nito para hindi na ako pabalik-balik. Alright. Bit-bit.
Uy, yan ay muligo. Your hands. Yeah, very good, very good, very good.
So where we're going, guys?
We're going to get Casey's cake!
Yay!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hot cocoa. Santa is serving the coffee.
Thank you. You're welcome. Say thank you, Santa. Say thank you, Cam.
Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Here, Kevin. This is yours, Kevin. Wow. This one's yours, Kevin.
Milk.
There we go. What do you need to say? You say thank you.
Gupahaman si Mia. Uy, napay eyebrow.
Mia's so beautiful here.
She retouched. She has a makeup kit. Makeup kit every corner. Where she learn this? Mag-artista ka, Mia? Ah, gamit pa siyang knife. Oh, muna bali, laba. Alright, no. Gupahaman ka, Mia.
Yes, milk. You like milk in your Christmas cup?
Say Merry Christmas.
I like it because I finished all of it.
Cameron, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Someone
Oh,
put
thank
stuff on
you.
yours, I guess.
Unsay inyong coffee? Unsay sagol? Honey coffee? Ah, honey. Wala na milk?
Santa cup.
Ayun,
Oh,
dark.
ako kay latte. Latte ko, daddy, latte. Latte ko, latte.
Okay.
Mag-latte, latte. Oh, this is big. Oh, this is Mrs. Santa.
Are you Mrs. Santa?
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Santa.
Okay. You guys like latte?
It's brewing. Happy New Year.
Yeah, we have certain kinds of beers. Yeah.
Cranberry.
Special Coke?
And our turkey.
You like it? Okay, come with that.
Our turkey.
We need forks and knives.
May ano bang tawag to? Gamit niya. Butter bowl. Fork and spoon na. Daddy knife. And Filipino way. Dali na! Happy New Year! Cheers, Steve! Cheers!
Wait.
Happy New Year! Ah, kagwapag
No,
sipon
Cameron,
lang.
Cameron, you wait. You stay, alright? You wait.
Wow, pinakita pag pusod.
You
Wait.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
wait.
I wait.
Yes, I wait.
This bread muffin.
Okay.
Yung suksok ko, yung suksok ko.
Just take one.
Huwag yun.
Just wait, everyone. Me, I will get a muffin.
It's
Cameron, sit down because that hard, daddy.
I made it a pancake.
Oh, so soft, daddy.
Oh yeah, the inside
Then you roll.
perfectly.
Raspberry. Namin sila nga nali di ay.
Masa?
Di ba nga di?
Na, dito.
Ayo, keep
Na.
it.
Veggies.
I got stuff.
Yeah. Wow, turkey. For the first time and forever in Canada.
On, money, kay dundun.
Kev, you want some veggie, Kev? Okay.
Mag-latsi-latsi. Oh, this is big. Oh, this is Mrs. Santa.
Are you Mrs. Santa?
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Santa.
Okay. You guys like latte?
It's brewing.